Hello students. Today we are going to start part 4 of chapter 11, starting with acid-base character of oxides and hydroxides. The trioxides of group 13 react with water to form their corresponding hydroxides of the formula MOH thrice. The nature of these oxides and hydroxides varies down the group. They dissolve in alkalis, forming metal borates of the formula NaBO2. On moving down the group, the acidic character decreases and basic character increases. Because down the group, ionization enthalpy decreases. So, metal oxygen bond weakens and is easily broken, resulting in increased basic strength down the group. The oxides and hydroxides of aluminium and gallium are amphoteric, while those of indium and thallium are basic. Thallium forms two hydroxides, TLOH thrice and TLOH. TLOH thrice is insoluble in water, but TLOH is soluble in water. Being amphoteric, alumina and aluminium hydroxide dissolve both in acids as well as in alkalis, forming their salts of the formula NaLO2 and Na positive AlOH4 negative. Reactivity towards acids and bases. First start with action with acids. Boron does not react with non-oxidizing acids such as hydrochloric acid. It is attacked at high temperature by strong oxidizing acid such as mixture of hot concentrated sulfuric acid, forming boric. All other elements react with both non-oxidizing and oxidizing acids. Aluminium reacts with dilute acids, liberating hydrogen gas. When aluminium reacts with HCl, then it gives aluminium plus 3 and Cl negative, resulting hydrogen. Reaction is shown. With concentrated nitric acid, aluminium becomes passive. Dear student, this is an important question of NCERT back exercise also. With concentrated HNO3, aluminium becomes passive. Passive means non-reactive. This passivity is due to formation of thin protective layer of its oxides on the surface of the metal, which prevents it from further actions. Means it gives Al2O3 and NO2 and water. Action of alkalis. Boron resists the action of alkalis up to 773 Kelvin, but above this temperature it reacts forming borates and liberating dihydrogen gas. Boron when react with potassium hydroxide, it gives K3BO3 and hydrogen. It also dissolves in fused Na2CO3 mixture at 1123 Kelvin. Aluminium and gallium being amphoteric also reacts with aqueous alkalis with the evolution of dihydrogen gas. Aluminium react with sodium hydroxide. When dissolved in water, then it gives sodium meta-aluminate, releasing dihydrogen. Indium and thallium, however, do not react with alkali, but gallium also react in the same manner as aluminium do. Reactivity towards halogens. The elements of group 13 react with halogens at high temperature, forming trihalides of formula MX3, where X is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine, and its structure is shown on the screen. What happens when BX3 is formed? Hybridization is sp2 hybridization, and there are empty orbitals above and below the plane. Trihalides of boron. Due to small size and high ionization enthalpy, boron forms covalent trihalides. BF3 is a gas. BCl3 and BBr3 are liquids. Bi3 is a solid. All these trihalide are planar molecule in which boron is sp2 hybridized. The three half-filled p orbitals, one on each halogen, overlap along their internuclear axis with three sp2 hybridized orbitals of boron to give three sp2 p bonds. The unhybridized p orbital is empty. Due to the presence of only 6 electrons in their respective valence shells, all these trihalides are Lewis acids. And Lewis acid character decreases in the order BF3, then BCl3, then BBr3, then Bi3. Order of acidic strength can be easily explained on the basis of tendency of the halogen atom to back donate its lone pair of electron to the boron skeletal through p-pi bonding. Since the size of the vacant 2p orbital of boron and the 2p orbital of fluorine containing a lone pair of electrons are almost identical, therefore the lone pair of electrons on fluorine is donated towards the boron atom. Due to back donation by 3 fluorine atoms, BF3 can be represented as a resonant hybrid as shown on the screen. The back donating in BF3 molecule is supported by the fact that the observed boron and fluorine bond length in BF3 molecule is much less than the sum of their covalent radii. As a result of p-pi back donation and resonance, the electron deficiency of boron decreases and thus BF3 is the weaker Lewis acid. As the size of the halogen atom increases from chlorine to bromine to iodine, the extent of overlap between 2p orbital of boron and a bigger p orbital of halogen decreases and consequently the electron deficiency of boron increases and thus the Lewis acid character increases accordingly from BF3 to BCl3 to BBr3 to Bi3.